Okay, welcome back to McCabe Cuttables YouTube channel. First of all, we need to apologize for the construction noise you will be hearing because it is going on in the garage, which is right behind us. And there's a lot of pounding
there.
And sawing wood. We kind of decided to do this at a bad time, but oh well. Okay, so what we're doing today is we are going to spotlight two of our members, our design team members, and show what they have done with our Halloween products that we send them. Okay, so first we have Cathie Watt.
Cathie's in charge of our design team.
She's like the main.
Yes, she's the one that I was warning everyone in the last video that she will boot you from the Galleria if you post something that's not McCabe Cuttables.
Yes, she is awesome. She's been doing this for a long time too, right?
Yeah, she's been on the design team forever. Yes, and we're actually very jealous because right now she's in Disneyland and they're doing Halloween, so...
I know, she goes more than we do.
I know. We sent out an invitation to our entire design team that's already busy and swamped doing their projects and asked them if they would all be willing to help us and do any sort of project or craft they chose with a Halloween theme. So they got to choose what paper pack they wanted. They got to use whatever Halloween SVG files they wanted. And they're starting to come in. And they're seriously fun boxes to open.
Yeah, we've been having fun going through them and looking at all the cute stuff that they're making. So I guess we'll show what she did first. She is so nice, and she made one of these chapstick holders for every single person in our family. Look how cute that is. They're adorable. So she sent 6 of them, one for all of us. This is the Halloween treats. This SVG is on McCabeCuttables.com. So she just like made it small and put it on a little tag and put a little chapstick in it.
Do you know like what paper pack
this is the spooky paper pack. So this one has like the candy. This one has the Halloween cat. And then the cute, this is one of my favorite ones, the ghost that sing Boo. That's print and cut. This Halloween treats. So thank you, Cathie, for our chapstick. That was so nice of you. Okay, and then we have a, it's a cute little Halloween card that you can slip off the top. It says, "Ghoulish greetings to you." You can see this witch is flying in front of the moon. The card base is from the Silhouette store. And then when you open it up, it says "Flying by with the Halloween high." And it has the witch legs as the paper. So you can see how cute that is, how it opens.
Oh, that's cool. What is, and she stamped the back.
She said, "Made with love, the good kind, Cathie."
Cathie has a blog where you can see her designs, and it's Cathie's Cafe-scraphappy.blogspot.com, and we will put that in the description, but you can see all of her awesome work.
Okay, then we have a cute, it's like a card it's like an easel card. So she cut out the witch broom and the witch legs, so when you open it, you can just fold it down and then it's like a little showpiece.
Oh, it's like the little
the netting.
Net.
Yeah.
And the rhinestones.
Yes. So I'm going to show this view.
That's really cool.
Very cute. Okay, and then we have, this is all the spooky paper, by the way. The spooky paper is on Amazon, and we will put that link down below if you want to pick that up.
'Tis the season.
So it says, "'Tis the season to be spooky." This is a phrase you can get on McCabe Cuttables. She cut it out with vinyl and put it on a cutting board. I actually have this exact same this exact same phrase printed out and like framed. This is one of the fall things like this. And I printed out a bunch of them and put them in frames for like my Halloween and fall decoration. I haven't gotten my Halloween decorations out, but I do have my fall. So you can get this on Miss Kate Cuttables too, but it's the same idea. So you can frame it, you can print it, you can cut it out with vinyl, put it on a t-shirt, all sorts of things. Okay, then we have broom parking 5 cents. It is on another cutting board. So this is another phrase you can get on Miss Kate Cuttables. This is actually one of the best-selling things in the whole entire store. Did you know that?
No, I did not know that.
This broom parking 5 cents.
On our website?
On the website and on the Silhouette store. You can also print this, put it on some, like a wall hanging wood frame or on a cute cutting board like this. That is what Cathie has sent us.
I'm like shocked at how much work
I know
was put into this.
Thank you guys. You were awesome.
The whole thing was like, hey, can you send one project? And Cathie sent like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different things.
She made a chapstick for all of us.
I know.
That's so
There's
nice.
really chapstick in there. And the kids are excited now. We had to hurry and do this video because they wanted their chapsticks. Like, you can't have them until we're done. But I'll show you. Lip balm.
The other design team member we are spotlighting is Amy McCabe. They sent me notes. That's why I keep looking over here to make sure that...
Very nice notes.
Yes, they're so nice. They're all sweet to me. So the paper pack that she used was October 31st. Okay, so Amy McCabe sent us a banner that is like out of this world detailed. So we can see it up here. We wanted to hang it up and then I will take it down and show you guys like the details of it. So look how cool this is. It's with the October 31st paper pack, and then all of these frames you can get on MissKateCuttables.com. So it's adorable. I mean, she put so much work into it. There's like all these sequins and it's tied together with ribbon. So I think I'm gonna like, when I take all my fall stuff down and put all my Halloween stuff up, this is gonna be in the background for the whole month of October.
So I really like the frames. If you look, like the witch, the frame is here and here on the paper. Right?
And you can see this frame that she cut out is also right here on the paper. So
the haunted house,
the bats, but it's fun how everything can just go together. Right now we have the layout she put together. It's called Wicked, and it has witch legs and like the bottom part of a dress that is on Miss Kate Cuttables. And she cut out the broom, and then there's a border with witch hats. You can find all this stuff on Miss Kate Cuttables.
Amy's blog is aimitup.blogspot.com, and it's AIMITUP, where you can see all of Amy's work.
And we'll put all this stuff in the description box.
She is sewing on this with...
Yes, she sewed around the outside edges and she sewed around the top of the witch's dress. So this is very detailed. It takes a long time.
That's very cool.
And look how cute that is, how the big, like the witch legs take up so much room, and it's just adorable. Okay, so Jeff left. He decided to go out to lunch with his brother, so I am now by myself. So I just want to thank our awesome design team members. We still have more people sending stuff in, so we're going to do some more throughout. We kind of were thinking we would do it in all one video, but I want to kind of spotlight, give more recognition to everyone. So we'll kind of split them up as the projects come in. So I am so excited for this. Let me know what you guys think. If you want more information or anything like that, check the description box below. We will be putting a lot of links down there so you can check out their stuff, their work. So I can't think of anything else, so I guess we're done. So hit the like button if you like this. It really helps me out a lot. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye! Yeah.
I ask dumb questions.
He really does.